Oh, waking up every day with the beam of the moonlight in my eyes. Submitted my consciousness with the focus of my mind. I've got to dig myself back to the fitting of eternity, breaking free. Knowing that my body's motionless and still asleep. I am waking up every day